So let's discuss how we can add primary key in existing table. Okay, so here you can see I have created a table that is student, and here you can see the four column: student ID, first name, last name, city. So no column is set as a primary key, but you want to set a student ID as a primary key. So there are two way. Firstly, drop this table, then again write a query as like create table and just pass the column name and make it not null, then you can set the primary key. But if you have already created a table and now want to set student id as a primary key, so how you can do? Okay, so there is a syntax that is alter table student, add constraint, and whatever constraint name you want to provide you can provide here, then primary key, and just the pass the column which you want to make it uh, primary key. When you run this query, so here you can see the error cannot define primary key concern on nullable column in the table. So what is meaning of this error? Uh, Meaning of this error is just check the data type of that particular column. So here you can see data type is integer and constant is null. So as we know, primary key cannot be null. So firstly, you have to make this column as a not null. Then you can run this query. So how you can do? Just we have a command alter table or table name. You have to alter the table student and alter column. Which column you want to alter? That is student ID integer, and just here add not null. So this will change null into not null. Just run this query. Okay. Just refresh the table. Now expand this. Here you can see student ID just became not null. Now just run this query. Your command is executed. Now just refresh it and just see here is you can see student ID PK means primary key. So your student ID is created as a primary key. So this is very simple way to create primary key in existing table. Suppose initially your student ID you have passed as a not null, so that error will be not occur. That error occurred when your that particular column make as null. So this is simple concept. As we know, primary key cannot be null. So firstly you have to make that particular column not null, then you can write this query and your column will be created as a primary key column. So this is simple step. Hope you understand. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.